Okay. Hello world. I see Aiden is in fact very early in the chat, which is really funny because I'm actually early for the first time in a while. Yeah, this is day 165 of studying compilers every day until I land a compiler role. I'm a little bit tired today, so this might end up just being like a half-hour stream. Although I keep saying that, and then it never ends up being half-hour, but you know, so it goes. Yeah. So last time we generated we like figured out how to allocate and deallocate stack space, and then we when generating a call, and then like we made a mess out of it. I think we did it correctly. We'll have to find out if it is in fact correct, but we'll figure that out when the time gets there. Today I think I will just be very brief with it. I'm just gonna save and restore registers, maybe store parameters, but there's like a little bit of mapping I need to do there, and just call it a day, I think. So yeah, after this point we just need to generate the entry point for main, and then we're pretty much done. I think that's actually like a really good spot to be in. So I guess let's write this all out real quick. We're just gonna speedrun this because yeah, I got some other stuff I should attend to in my life. Okay. So we want to save and restore registers. So I guess we can just save the save, and then we can restore the restore, I guess. Yeah, so I guess like, it's kind of awkward actually. Yeah, how do we want to do this? Probably based off of this like call stack bytes thing, right? Yeah, so let's go off of that. So I guess call stack bytes will be the total size. So we probably want like -8 from that for the address of each of these. Yeah, this is kind of awkward actually. There's not a great way to do this. Oh, let's go lane. Dark stream, yeah. Lights off. Lights off for today. But then we have to do this in like pairs, so this is kind of awkward actually. Yeah, I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Yeah, this sucks. This really sucks. Okay. I guess we can just work on save for now. So for each reg in save, we can do, that's not the right syntax. We can do something. This is a register star. Oh, okay. Where was I? Legalize. Okay. Yeah, this is really awkward. I guess we probably need a mapping of some sort. We could go off of this, and then we need this mapping anyways, so it might be easier that way. Yeah, this is awkward. Yeah, I guess let's make a unordered map. So register to UN64T. This should be like reg to bytes, I guess, or reg to stack. I guess like that seems sensible enough. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and then I guess we just make the mapping and then we save it there. But we should probably like figure out how to sort. We should probably sort like this registers list as well at some point. So I guess we could do like so we could map this to like We could do like call stack bytes -8. And then we can just do that. All right. And then we should actually like insert the save. So I guess this would go where, or like this would kind of go where this allocate inserts. So we could do save. And then this should be a move instead. Yeah, so we have reg size, and then we want to go from, I guess we want to make stack bytes again. So we want that, and then we want RSP as well. Oh, we need extend none. That's what or wait, no. Wait, what is wrong with this? Yeah, that's a size. This is an immediate. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, I'm doing this wrong. Wait, I need to make the address. We'll have to stream compilers? Yeah, I gotta keep my my obligations up. That's it was in fact pre-scheduled, so I mean, I can't really do a lot about it, unfortunately. Okay, let's steal some stuff from down here, maybe. Or wait, no, it's not down there. What? Or it's up here, right? Did I yoink it from here? Oh, okay. Guess I didn't. That's confusing. Oh wait, no, did I? Surely I did it here. Yeah, okay, it was this. It was this. So we can do that. This should be call stack bytes. So this is. So we can do that, I guess. What did we call it down there? Stack slot. Okay. Yeah, so we can just reuse that. That seems consistent. Yeah, so we need to save. So we need to move the register. So we need reg size, reg size. We want no extend. And then we put reg into stack slot. Right? What is reg? That's a register star. This is an address star. These should be fine. Or how do we add again? What's good, Panda? What do you think caused YouTube to break on Tuesday? I'm not sure actually. I haven't given it a lot of thought, surprisingly. It's definitely like, I mean, like the obvious non-answer is like, it's an infrastructure problem, but like, beyond that, I do not really know a lot about just like how Google manages things, at least. So I couldn't really give a good answer to that, unfortunately. Okay, let's figure out how we make a move again. Oh, extend is at the front. Okay, so we put that there. Yippee. And this is save. Okay. So we make the save now. Alternatively, actually, what we could do is we could make restore a set as well instead. Or an unordered set. Alright, yeah, let's just do that. We could make both of... No, but this ordering matters. For save, at least. Yeah, so let's do that. And then this should be insert. Yeah, actually that helps, because then I think we probably need to keep reg to stack anyway, but that's like a later concern at least. I guess no, we probably don't need this. We'll probably need to figure out how to manage like param storing, but we can do that as we go. Yeah, let's do this. And then we can do, so we have save and we restore. And then if it contains the reg, or if it doesn't contain it, then we continue. Just so we can denest one layer. And then here we want to generate the restore. We should probably save reg? I don't know. Or there's not a great, let's make this push, I guess. And then let's make this pop. And then we yoink this. And that's nice because then we can reuse this altogether, which is nice. Here we just want to swap stack slot and reg, and I think that is good to go. Okay. Yeah, I've been quite stressed for various different reasons. A lot of them are my fault, but it is what it is. I kind of just have to deal with it. Okay, get status. Okay, let's see what the changes are. Wait, what? Wait. Huh? Wait. Okay, this kind of makes sense. This is the restore, I think. Is this the restore? This doesn't make sense. Or maybe this was here before and I'm not sure. Is it still worth it to learn assembly? I think it is. I think there are a lot of use cases where like you're trying to do a very specific thing and it might be useful for that. Oh wait, am I generating on the wrong side of the iterator? Yeah, I am. Okay. Let's see. What is the iterator we care about? We want I-iter, so it's not ret-iter. So we want that. Alright, we need to be different about this, I think, somehow. Oh wait, no. I'm inserting incorrectly. We need stuff from like here. So this insert is fine, and then we want to yoink this, sort of. And here we just want pop. Yeah, this is very ugly, but it's fine. Let's rebuild. And then rerun that. Okay, what has changed here? There we go. That looks more sensible. Yeah, so that's like stuff we're saving. Ugh. Yeah, so we're saving that and we're storing it after because we're using it after. Is there an instance where we don't? It doesn't look like that, I guess. That's very confusing, actually. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, these all seem to be paired up because of some reason. Maybe I did liveness wrong. Or maybe this is like correct. I think O0 shouldn't really have anything. Are we generating on the wrong side? Oh wait, yeah, we're generating on the wrong side, I think, right? Yo, wait, what the? Okay, wait, we're using the add queue iterator, which means we did something wrong down up or up here. Right? What? Huh. Huh. Oh, wait, I think I understand what's happening. So when we set iiter here, this is doing like the correct thing. But why is it generating like... Yeah, so after we generate this, we're setting iiter to this, but we need to save it somehow. So I think we just save it in a different place. We can do like next iter. So let's do this equals iter. And then down here, let's make this, let's replace this with next iter. And then we can do this again. And then, so then we can do iter equals next iter. So if it changes, then it changes, but only after the fact. And then I think we should be good to go. One second. Yeah. So let's run this again. Git log, or git diff test. There we go. Now it surrounds things properly. Let's go, Romy. Good to see you. Oh, this actually looks even more correct as well, actually. So we're just storing things correctly as well, which is ideal. Yeah, so we're storing before the fact, which is interesting as well. I'm not sure why it's in... Oh, wait, yeah. I know why it's in these registers. This makes sense. Yeah, so then these are like surrounding. This works correctly. This works correctly. Okay, everything looks solid at a glance. It looks like we don't restore anything we don't need. I guess we could just clobber then, huh? If we don't need it after the fact? I don't know. This is interesting. Yeah, I guess we can work out the details of that as we go. Okay, super fun has a lot of stores. That makes sense. Yeah, okay. This... Wait a second. No, wait, something is off. Wait, what? Huh. We'll worry about the size thing in a second, I think. We should probably move the full registers if we want to save properly, I think. Yeah, let's think about this a little more. And then super fun is 2 stack. I see, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. But then up here this doesn't make a lot of, or that makes sense, that makes sense. This doesn't make a lot of sense. What is third? Let's look up the test again, which is params. Wait, what? Oh, that might actually just be a normal spill, actually. Right? There. Slight problem. This does not make sense. So what is third again? This is in call chain. Yeah, this is in call chain. Yeah, this has no params. This shouldn't be oh, padding. I see. Okay. That makes sense again. That makes a lot of sense again. Okay. We pad up to 16. Yeah. Yeah, and then we will just fix the register size in the future, I think. I don't know. I'm quite exhausted, so this might... I'm thinking about just like calling the stream here even, but I feel like I can do a little bit more. What the? Okay. Sure. Good. Add source. Legalize pass. Oh wait, no, I need to rename it. Oh, this is save, restore, caller, saved, registers. And then let's make tests real quick. Everything looks good. What do we do here? Update regression tests. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Today's stream is just gonna be a little bit short. I'm quite dead feeling, so I'm gonna take this time to recuperate and just get my shit together. Thank you all so much for showing up today, even if the stream is short. If you haven't already, like the stream, sub to the channel, check out the description, join the Discord, add me on LinkedIn, add me on GitHub, and feel free to support me financially on GitHub sponsors. Yeah, take care y'all, take it easy, and I will see you all tomorrow.